Hello viewers, today we are going to make delicious veg tofu chili. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. For this recipe, we need 350 grams of medium firm tofu, finely chopped garlic, finely chopped ginger, green chilies, sweet corn, bell pepper, green onions, cabbage, cubed red onions, carrots and beans. The ingredients we need for red sauce are soy sauce, paprika, vinegar, red chili sauce, black pepper powder, roasted sesame seeds, ketchup, sugar, chili flakes, corn flour paste and water. Let's mix all the ingredients to prepare red sauce. If the sauce is too thick, add some water. Heat some olive oil in the wok. Add garlic, ginger, green chilies and mix thoroughly. After a minute, add onions, carrots, corn, beans, bell peppers and cabbage. Mix all vegetables. The cooking should be done on high flame so that we retain the crispiness of the vegetables. After cooking vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes, now it's time to add chili sauce. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of corn flour paste. Then add tofu and mix gently. Look at the beautiful vibrant colors. Garnish it with green onions and our veg tofu chili is ready to eat. If you like this dish, please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.